Hi, this is David again after a while. Today I would like to show you what's new in the last 6.2.4.10 version of SprinxCRM Outlook Sync, SprinxCRM Universal Sync, sorry. And what's new is a connector for an online service called Producteev. Okay, so I will not show you the installation because it's still the same as it was covered in my previous videos. So I will just show you how to set up this Producteev connector and how it works, how it synchronizes tasks. Please note that it's still in beta, so it's synchronizing only the default folder and things might not work that great if you set up this. So that's here. It's Producteev Connector beta, and you have to have a Producteev username and password to use it. So you fill your username, password, and click apply and save, and you have the connector set up. And then I have that Outlook tasks connector. That's the only connector that I have here, and I just leave the synchronized default folder. Please know that if you would choose other connectors like Remember the Mail connector now, only new things would get to Producteev. Okay, old tasks wouldn't get there. It's really still in beta, so it's not good for migrating Remember the Mail to Producteev yet. Okay, so I have tried here something. So if I click synchronize now, nothing probably would happen. Okay, those tasks are synchronizing. Okay, that's great, but nothing changed. Let's create a task here. And let's say that I need to buy a new car until next Sunday, and that's the task I have created in Outlook, right? And then in Producteev I will create another task. Let's say visit my mom, and let's say that I schedule that till this Saturday. Okay, and that's all. Let's print it that, and let's try to synchronize this now. I click synchronize here. You see that the synchronization is still the same with other connectors. It's going through the tasks and so on and so on. And you see that we have that visit my mom task here that's due this week. This buy a new car task is still there, and if you go here you see that we have this buy a new car here. Okay, so that. I plan to finish this till the end of month. There will be, I think, 1 or 2 more releases, like source releases, and then there will be a big release with this connector that will be working, like not in beta. Okay, so that's it. Have fun.